Hey! Are you looking for the best $1,500 PC build right now that will allow you to play and win any game? Then you've clicked on the right video. In this video, I show you all the parts of the PC, and of each part there is a link in the description. We start with the CPU. For a PC of this budget, the best choice is the Intel Core i5-12400. This processor has 6 full-fat cores and 12 threads. None of those E-cores have maximum turbo power limit of 117 watt and up to 4.4 GHz of boost clocks. So for a price of $195, this is a very good CPU. The CPU comes with the Intel Laminar RM1 cooler included. This cooler will work just fine. However, if you want to really get the most out of overclocking, then you may want to purchase a better CPU cooler. As a motherboard, we choose the Asus Prime B660 Plus. This motherboard is an ATX size and is ready for 12th generation Intel Core. The best for its price of $140. The RTX 3080 is a fantastic gaming card and will crush any game you throw at it. In fact, it may be too much card for most gamers, but it is a phenomenal graphics card for gaming and will push your gaming performance to be able to play at the highest settings with high FPS into 1440p and plays very well at 4K. This video card will cost you $770. The next part is the RAM. We choose 16 gigabits of RAM because 16 gigabytes of RAM is the perfect spot for any high-end gaming PC. The RAM will cost you only $70. The next thing we are going to add to the PC is the hard drive. We choose SSD because it is extremely fast, and to have more than enough space on your PC we choose 1 terabyte. The SSD will cost you $85. To provide enough power to your PC, the best choice is the EVGA Supernova 850GA as a power supply. It is 80 plus gold certified, with 90% efficiency or higher under typical loads. The power supply will cost you $90. What we need now is the case. You can choose the case yourself as long as it is an ATX size. But we chose the Corsair 4000D because it has concentrated airflow and proven Corsair build quality. The case will cost you $105. Now I'll show you all the performance of the PC in the most popular games.